Okay guys, so we're back. So like I said, we did a pop-up today. I don't know if I should break it up on 2 different videos or what. I don't know what I'm gonna do. But I don't have enough content for this week and next week. So yeah, nothing new going on. I have like what, a week or 2 left of school. But I'm taking a summer course, so that should be fun. I have something to do besides work, you know. Well,
did you bring my stuff?
What stuff?
Mother's Day stuff.
What Mother's Day stuff?
I always get stuff. I can open it now.
Girl, I ain't get you nothing. Girl, what? Girl, I'm paying for this meal. We're gonna have a nice meal. That's what we open. She is so spoiled.
You always give me stuff. Where you give me those stuff?
Those stuff, those presents.
Yeah, everything. You know, I should get a whole bunch of stuff.
Yeah. Yeah. Well, your birthday coming. Hold on to your birthday. What? And the stuff I be getting you, you don't even use. Like, I bought her this nice purse, a Michael Kors purse. She never used it.
I did 2 years it.
I bought her like a couple of Michael Kors purses.
And I travel with one.
Yeah. People walking behind us and whatever. You right. Okay. The reason I know I look so tired, like I said, I was at a pop-up. I want to take the day off today. Of course, she didn't. Oh, we're gonna be outside.
You gotta hit it around next to you. Oh, perfect.
Oh, okay, heat lamp.
Yeah.
Thank you. This is our view. Mama, she's on her phone. Happy Mother's Day.
Thank you.
Guys. We haven't eaten since what? Lunchtime? You know, we're about to really go down. It's going down. And this is
Asian noodle.
okay, and she got the fried macaroni balls.
You want one?
No, okay. Let's taste it.
I might go to
Good.
I mean, he didn't do a
You're not gonna like it.
good job on his grill.
Yeah. Sauce isn't gotta be green, huh?
I know.
I went to his birthday party. And I guess you don't look
So
good.
good.
That was all other.
You guys already know I always do the same thing when I come here. It's so good. And let me see your. She's not sure. Okay, so we finished our food, of course. So, what you rate the meal?
Loved it.
What's your rating?
8.
An 8 out of 10?
Yeah. Too much salt.
Yeah, I didn't like the salt. That's only, yeah.
That's kind of, and since my, you know.
Yeah. I rate the same. Well,
How much yours?
I like it. I like that meal. So I give
Yeah, you tore that little sample out.
I did. My fat. We ate a lot today. We did it. I had egg rolls. It's gonna be nasty
You
tomorrow.
didn't finish it. No, you know.
Cause the avocado can be soggy.
You don't want to take it home? What did you get hungry tonight?
We have cheesecake.
Avocado is
Healthy, but it's fried. I don't know. So we're about to get the check, and then also we got some cheesecake. You know I'm greedy. We need to work out. Yeah. We're gonna work out tomorrow. I promise.
I'm not going to eat the cheesecake now.
No, we're gonna eat it tomorrow.
We're gonna go to his containers.
Okay.
And then check whenever we're ready.
All right. Thank you. Oh, you gonna have it to me?
How was your day?
Not bad at all. So, don't look at it if you ain't gonna pay for it. Yeah.
She never said I can get what I want.
I know. We split everything.
Every time.
We split.
So your happiness.
Yeah. Okay, so the light is okay. My face is a little oily. This is really nice. Gee, how many? Just one? Okay. I guess I take the egg roll or take the. Okay. So yeah, guys. So what I said. So we have cheesecake. We might eat tonight or not. And then I guess we can just chill, watch some movies. Oh, we have to work on a
business plan.
we did some business over here. We should write this off. But for our business, we have some new ventures coming. Oh, please don't look at my nails. But we have to add some stuff to the site. We have a lot to do. And then shipping orders. We have packaged orders too. The life of an entrepreneur. So yeah, today's Mother's Day. Like I said, I'm a mother too. I have a dog, so I'm a mother. But yeah, we had so much fun. Alright, Mama.
Thank you guys for joining us.
Yes. Alright, so I'm gonna see you guys in tomorrow's vlog. Hey guys, so I just got off work and now I'm at the post office. I packaged these two orders. I packaged them last night and we're about to ship them now. One's going to New York, the other's going to Michigan. Okay. I love it. I love it. Let's go to the house. Okay. Let's go. Oh my god, I look so rough, guys. It seems like I had a long day. But orders is shipped. I love shipping orders. And I got some extra of their poly mailers. They're free. You just pay for it once you ship it. Yeah, got some extra ones because why not? Alright, let me save this. I need to email. I'm sorry. You know, my car is so dirty. Oh, so much traffic. Alright, we're about to head home. I kind of wanted some ice cream, but I'm like, I know I don't need any ice cream. I need to eat what I have at the house and cook dinner. I'm not gonna go out tonight. Usually, I will go pick something up in a minute. Actually, I didn't go grocery shopping. But, yeah, I have a lot to do. Today, I have homework. I have 3 assignments that are due this week. And we have, like, next week's our last week of school. So, I need to finish strong. Okay, you turn it. Yeah, I need to finish strong. Oh, I look so... It's okay. I've been working hard today. So, I'm on my way home, and then we're going... Oh, okay, you want to turn? I'm on my way home, so I'm going to do some homework. Actually, I really don't feel like it, so I'm going to relax for probably like... Oh, shit, everything's fine. I'm going to relax for about 10 to 15 minutes. Well, I'm not going to put the time on it, but I'm going to work on this paper. I have to work on at least a page. You know what I mean? And then I'm supposed to have a date tomorrow. Let's see how that goes. I don't know. I don't have any expectations about this date tomorrow because we've been planning this first date for the longest, guys. This is like the longest I ever waited to go on a first date with someone. But I'm just going with the flow of things. I'm not rushing anything. I'm just gonna enjoy life. He seemed like a okay guy. I see a few things already. It's like if I'm willing to deal with it, but so far it's not a deal breaker. What I see, just from us talking, we've been talking for over a month, yeah, and we've never been on any date. And it's because he's a very busy person. I am very busy as well. I am in school, I have a job, and I have an online business that we do pop-ups every week. So that's that's it about the update about my life. I uploaded a video today. I'm almost done editing yesterday's vlog, which was a pop-up. This whole weekend, well, the past weekend, Saturday and Sunday, me and my mom did a pop-up. One was in Long Beach, the other one's in Riverside. One of the vlogs is already almost done at being edited. All I just add some music, change the little things, and that one's gonna be ready to go. Like, I was playing no games. Literally is so much traffic. Okay, so I'm gonna focus on the road, and I'll probably talk to you guys if I do anything interesting tonight. I should go on live.